thought it was gonna be cold today.
It was supposed to be like 14 degrees at like 4 or 3 p.m. and like below 10 at. I was going to ask you if like 3 p.m. was making actually sense. But no, but yeah, because it was like the highest temperature of the day. But it's really nice.
Yeah, maybe this is gonna take long. I'll do the rest of it.
Well, we may if you wanted to get to the axle.
Yeah, so about a battery, put on a tender, a lot of airflow sensor. I bought what else did I buy? Spark plugs. I think I probably should buy, I don't know what else is on it, broken.
I think all of these are coming apart.
I think these are these.
Yes, but I just pulled out another one.
Yeah.
I think they all are broken.
That's what holds the bracket.
I don't know if you can.
We'll find out.
I might have some. This is the one.
So this.
I'm holding it.
Okay.
The first thing I think what should be done. This fender needs to slide into the headlight.
Okay. So this was one. What's the other one look like?
Plastic.
No,
Oh, there was a screw inside of it that came out.
yeah, this one.
I gave it to you. This was on the end of this.
Yeah, we're looking for another red one. And here's a pin. Oh, is this it? No, that's not it.
Maybe. Could be.
That could be, yeah. And then, yeah, okay.
And two for the
1, 2,
for the
3.
4 on the top and 2 in the back.
Yeah, so this is the top. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
This is one.
One. There's 2 more.
There's one.
There are 2 more.
There's one.
One. That looks shiny. I mean painted.
Oh, here's another one. I think this is, yeah, this is the inside. 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 And then 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5. And we're missing one more.
5. For the top.
Oh, no. They're here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, those are the... Yeah. Okay.